Yes, your full-time office advisor is back. They call me Crazy Boo. Today we will learn how to insert columns in Excel. Enough talk, let's get this done. Take this payroll sheet as an example. We can see this table includes employee ID, name, department, hourly pay, work hours and pay date. It looks neat and standard, but it will cause trouble for the finance team. This sheet is missing the key total pay data. Don't worry, I will show you how to insert a new column for total pay in seconds. First, select the column where you want to add the total pay section. Right-click, choose Insert. Good, you have a brand new blank column now. Then fill in the total pay information. Like this. All finished, it's that easy. I'm out of here. I need to talk to my boss. I put tadpoles in his coffee last month, and I'm begging him to cut me some slack on my salary deduction.